right, you guys, so I know Portia may be out this week, but the Real Housewives of Atlanta are still making headlines because Cynthia Bailey and Kandi Burruss posted a picture on Instagram and wore masks on their face to protect themselves from catching Ebola. So it's causing a lot of uproar online because people are saying that they might not have all of their facts straight. This is obviously not how you can catch Ebola.
I wear my mask in first class not because of Ebola. There's always some dude up there with bad breath sitting in first class that's been in a meeting, some executive that's been in a meeting running his mouth talking all day, and so I go ahead and put my mask on.
And they're always the ones who will turn down gum.
Always. You want some gum? No, I'm good.
No, I'm good.
No, you're not good.
So Cynthia posted this photo with the caption, "Better safe than sorry." And now Kandi also posted her own photo on Instagram writing, "I'm not taking any chances."
But the fans are going in hard. One fan says, please do some research before doing such idiotic things like this. Ebola is not airborne.
I think that they are public figures and they have a platform, so it could be kind of dangerous to spread the wrong message.
Now, one person on Instagram was like, why would you post that? Almost like you're mocking the so many thousands of people dying. If you really did this, it should have been kept quiet and not on Instagram.
Quite. Whatever that means.
See, this is the problem. When you come for somebody, make sure that you spell everything correctly.
You got to run that spell check.
Your point will be lost with one misspelling because that's what everybody is going to pick up on.
Quite.
Keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
Yeah. But you know what? I heard though they was doing that toward Portia though.
It was what?
They were trying to throw a signal toward Portia.
They were trying to shade her with wearing a mask?
That's what I heard.
What's the shade about?
Because, you know, they say Portia's boyfriend allegedly was from Ghana.
No.
Yeah, and they said, honey,
that's messy.
Now that is shady.
Wow. They said they was throwing that toward Portia, child.
Baby, I heard you weren't subscribed to our channel. You better click on that button right there down below.